take turns and say, right, this is our crossbar challenge. We've got 2 goals, basically. You hit the one behind the first goal. If you hit the crossbar on that, your foot automatically, you just won it. But obviously, if you don't hit it, then you don't hit it.
Cool.
I'm Adam Sullivan. Callum Sullivan.
Charlie!
Alright, here goes.
Wait.
I'll film after you.
Go. No, that was absolute fail. Next up we have position.
Anywhere really. By the way, guys, I'm more of a keeper.
He's keeper. Should be getting. Oh, and he's just missed.
Right, it's
No,
Charlie's go.
Okay, so hi, I'm Charlie. I play centre back.
Centre back because he's gay. Right. He's missed. Right, my go. We're gonna have a new Peter filming.
This is our second round now.
Oh, Charlie.
Right, and now we have him, this idiot, shagging the air because he can't get any pussy at the moment. And he's hit it.
He's won. He's won.
He's won it. He's won it. Take him out.